Hello, welcome to another one. And it seems to be that you're really blown out, but yeah, we are on the beach. It actually looks like we're on the salt flats at the moment, to be honest. I've been here a couple of times, never been here with the tide out. And the reason I wanted to come today, because I haven't seen the sea for such a long time. Haven't smelt it, haven't heard it, and haven't seen it for weeks and weeks and weeks, or even months. So yeah, we're not allowed into Wales still. So we've come over to a place between West Kirby and New Brighton, and I'm not quite sure what this place is called. I'm sure someone will know it and let me know. And like I say, you're very blown out on the screen, but I'm sure we'll manage. Now, I've come out with the mindset of minimal. I've got camera, 2 lenses, I've got me filters for maybe a long exposure. I thought I'd do some minimal exposure and try and find something very simple, very basic, and very minimal. Mrs. C's out as well, donning our shorts, letting our legs out so we can get a little bit of tan on the legs. I've got my arms covered up though, and yesterday I got bitten, which was probably the last video, and my thumb's swollen up and I've got a big black spot on my thumb where it's got me. Now, Denise just mentioned some cracks in the sand, or the salt covered sand, and it looks awesome. If I can find a couple of cracks that haven't been walked on, because the ones over there have got footprints through them, if I can find a couple of cracks like that, that is going to be spectacular photograph. But I'm not looking promising, so I'm just going to have a look round. We've got windmills and stuff out at the sea, so I'm going to go over, have a look at the sea. I know it's a fair old walk. I reckon we've got to walk nearly a mile to get to the sea, so I'm going to have a walk over there, find the sea, chill out a little bit, see if we can find a couple of minimalistic photographs, and I'll switch you back on and let you have a look and see what we're doing. It seems like we've been walking for ages and we ain't anywhere close to the sea, but we must be getting there. It's just nice being out. It's nice being out in the sunshine and no wind and stuff like that. It's actually quite nice, even though it's not very photogenic. I'm struggling to look around. I'm scanning the beach for stuff that might catch my eye for a minimal shot, and yeah, it's very minimal. As you can see, there is nothing nothing around us whatsoever. So yeah, the tracks going that way down to the beach. There's tracks leading that way, going out that way, but there is just nothing apart from these windmills out there. But this is quite a nice, if I don't get a picture, it's just nice. There is a bit of wind blowing now. I can feel a bit of wind on my face, so you might be getting a bit of wind on the microphone, which is down here. So I hope the volume's not too bad with my camera strap on, the clipped on. But we're getting there. The sea is there. We're getting closer. We'll just keep going. Okay, I think we've come across something. Look at these tracks leading off into nothing. I just think that if I clone out the people, or even if I don't, if I come down a little bit lower, I just think that might be a very minimal, simple shot. 3 lines. Look, obviously from a wind kite thing, because it's got 3 tyres and they're quite fat, and then just leading out into nothing, and the hills in the background in the haze. So I might just take a shot of this, only a handheld one, and then we'll get going towards the sea. We are still walking. We still haven't got to the sea. Look at it. This is a long, long way. This is social distancing, socially distanced. Nothing around us, absolute nothing. But bearing in mind that when the tide starts coming in and catches this line, it will come in really, really fast. That's the only problem with having flat, long beaches. The tide catches up on you and runs really quick. But it doesn't look like I'm going to be getting any decent photos today, that's for sure. But let's just enjoy it. Let's just enjoy being out. And the wind's quite strong. Hope you can hear me inside there. It is nice. Lovely fresh air. Quite at the water's edge, but at least we can see where we are now. But I quite like these patterns and the ripples in the sand, so I'm going to take a couple of little shots with the odd little shell, just of different shapes, sort of looking across the lines and see if that works. If it does, I'll bob a couple up, and next time I see you, I'll be by the sea. Well, we've made it to the sea. As you can see, we've got a paddling pool. We're just keeping an eye on the tide, because the tide is starting to turn in. You can feel it. We've already stood here and it's already lifted up the beach about another 2 foot while we've been stood here. So you have to be careful of stuff like this. See this little ravine coming back in there? That's a high pot and this is a high spot. So it will come in and around you. So you just got to be aware of it. But just nice to be able to hear the sea, smell the sea, and feel the sea, to be honest. I'm so glad I come with my sandals on and not my boots. Now I think while I'm down here, I'm going to get a shot of the windmills. Just a simple, minimal shot of the windmills, lots of blue in it. And then see if that makes a nice minimal shot. And then we'll walk along the beach a little bit behind us. Denise is a bit panicky. She doesn't like the sea and the fact of being caught, getting trapped.
I know how quick it comes in here, and you can see there where it's already come in.
Yeah, it's coming round.
Coming around you.
Yeah, we'll be all right. We're out for another 5 minutes. Right, let me get a shot of these windmills while I'm here, and then we'll start taking a walk back. Extremely short-lived, as you can see behind us. It's coming in rather quick, so it won't take long before that little bit along there's completely surrounded. So we're now walking back. So we went down, got our feet wet, and that was it. The Hair Bear bunch is going on here. It's nice having a wind in your head, though, isn't it, babe?
Yeah, but when it's the other way, not when it's making you look unglamorous.
So, not very photy today, is it? But we never say never. I might come across something, and you never know. There might be some patterns on the beach, because you've got patterns actually down. So we're going to walk back a slightly different direction and just see if anything grabs our eye. If not, nothing lost. I've never seen it before. So it's just saying to each other that we've never seen a beach like this. We've never seen anything where the layer of sand is completely covered in salt, like the water's just sunk down through the sand and left the salt line. And it's really weird, and it's just a mile of nothing. But this here is just phenomenal. I'm going to take a couple of snapshots just for keepsake. I might even just take them on my phone, because it's pretty awesome. It's really quite weird. It's really, I imagine this is what some of the places in America and that are like. It is, yeah, crunchy, and there's all these little tiny little, it feels like we're walking on gravel, but there's no gravel. It's quite weird. Very, very weird. Right, well, we've walked all the way across the beach. We've been all the way right out to the sand and that, and we've come down to this post. And all I'm going to try and do is take a minimal shot of the post. We found these cracks in the salt, and because it's quite a weird looking scenario with all these cracks and then the layers of salt and there's lines through it, it sort of reminds me of you know, like an American sort of shot. But the post is just sticking up. It's a blue sky with some little tiny weeny white clouds, and it's just different. I'm only going to hand hold it. I don't think it needs anything more than being handheld. I'm at 16mm, and I'm going to focus right down in the foreground on the cracks, because I think the cracks are the important part of the image. And I'm going to take two shots. I'm going to take one, I'll just go up to f11. I'm going to take one at with a post right in the middle, and then I'm going to take one with a post on the thirds, move round slightly, and then see which I prefer when I get home. Get the camera nice and level, and just see what they look like. It's just the fact that it's different, and it's just different. So that was f11, ISO 160 on this XE3, handheld. Got no image stabilizer, so I have to keep a steady hand. I'm going to have a look around, see if I can find some more cracks that sort of lends itself to this. But yeah, I like this. It's different. It's different. I've not seen anything like it before. So cool. And we've now got a hovercraft coming across the beach. Lifeboat hovercraft. So we've got the lifeboat working again. Right, I've just been shooting a bracketed handheld shot. No, not a bracketed shot. I've just been shooting a handheld shot, standing and facing down and shooting up, trying to get the cracks in the ground down here, and then putting the post in it. And because I haven't got a wide angle on, I'm only at 16mm, I've just literally taken a shot, moved up, taken a shot, moved up, taken a shot, moved up. So I'm going to try and stitch them together. I'm going to see if they work, and if they do, I reckon that'll look pretty cool. If they don't, then I haven't lost anything. It's just digital information. So I hope this has been a bit of a different vlog for you. Wasn't planning on doing anything much, just trying to do a little bit of a minimal shot. I think we've achieved a minimal shot, but it wasn't really what I was intending to do. This is one of those vlogs where most people have just bin it, throw it away, but this is us. This is what we do. We come out and we show you the fails as well as the wins and the losing, should we say. So yeah, I'm going to put the vlog out anyway. You've now watched all the way through it, so yeah, thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Maybe it'll be a bit more interesting. Maybe it will be a little bit more interesting. I think that's what I was trying to say. Denise is laughing at me behind the camera. And got a what? Ring of salt. She had a ring of dirt yesterday when she got home. Now she's got a ring of salt around her ankles. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time, ciao for now. Bye bye.